So we went to hike Mission Peak on Memorial Day weekend. We took the Stanford Avenue Mission Peak Trail. That's about 6 miles. There was a lot of people going in and going out on the trail. Yeah. Oh, I know that there's a shade. This shade. I'll put it on my video.
So you see how many shade there is?
Yeah, no, because I know there's no shades in here, so at least we found one. It's not. I'm sure there's not many, right?
Mm.
So this is number 2, right? Where does it say number 2?
Right here.
Oh yeah, right there.
Yourself?
No, just like this is fine. Almost there. I think we're halfway.
Halfway.
I think so. Because we're in station number 2 and I see that there's station also 4 stations. Four seats.
You know what? I never paid attention.
Yeah, because I just look in the map.
Obviously not long enough for you.
No, not long enough. So you can feel it.
Number 3.
Oh, there's another snake? No, no. Oh, no, it's not. Yeah, to see that, yeah. Paragliding.
Paragliding.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's where my friend did when we were in Switzerland.
Oh.
I didn't do it because I was scared.
Oh.
So that person must be very professional.
Yeah, he is for sure. Because he's not even getting help from anyone. Like he's by himself. He said, yeah. Okay, this is number 4. And there's someone paragliding there.
Let's go.
Okay,
Did you take 4?
yeah,
You did.
I took 4.
So did I tell you when we went to Switzerland? I missed it.
Okay, we're almost there. This is the view from here. I think we are a little bit more than halfway. Most of the area is green because of the rain, so it's a nice view, but this is not an easy hike. It's all going uphill, but it's a good exercise. So that's the only restaurant here, right?
If you need to go, do you need to go?
No, I don't. Do
There's
you?
one by our parking.
Oh yeah, there's
Quite a
one.
few, yeah.
Yeah, no, I don't need to. Just good to know. So that's the Lonely Trail.
So later when we split, make sure we go this way.
Okay.
Well, if we go there, we could go split over here.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, no, I don't have to go there. We're almost there. Almost, maybe about 20 more minutes. This is a very steep area before reaching the peak. You can see a better view from here.
Okay, so it's easy.
What is it?
Take a break a little bit.
Okay. It's not too bad.
Huh?
It's not too bad.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Really? Yeah, I think I'm getting used to it. Ooh, we made it.
Right here. Get a good view here.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
Nice.
We should go over there.
Yeah.
Or up there. It's nice too.
Oh
You
yeah.
can see through that way. But this is the best spot, right?
This is the spot, yeah.
Take a picture of it and show it to you.
So this is the top hill, the peak. This is a nice view, it's a nice breeze. People there taking pictures on the top of the hill with the flag, American flag. And this is all the view of the bay.
Right here, this is Mission Peak. This is at night.
What is it?
At Mission Peak at night.
already there.